guys? So I'm installing SubiSpeed taillights and the fourth brake light, which will go right here. And so what I've begun to do is take off the push clips. There's one here, 3 down here, there's 3 down here, and there's 1 here. The 3 down here is to take off this plastic piece here, so I can have access to the fourth brake light later on. Okay, so we got the first tail light out. Basically, after removing all the pop clips, there's 3 8mm bolts holding it in, and this stubborn piece of shit right here, and then the connector. So once you get that, you should be able to push on the 3 prongs that are holding it, slide it right out. This is the first look of the SubiSpeed taillights. Oh yeah, these are nice. Oh man, I don't even want to take them out. They're way too nice, man. So we just threw on the SubiSpeed taillights. Well, one of them. Side-by-side comparison. Dang, I'm definitely in love with these. Stock ones are kind of plainish, but let's see if they work. So these are the 2 side-by-side comparison. Dang, I'm really loving these SubiSpeed taillights, man. Night and day difference, dude. Oh my gosh. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. So these are the 2 taillights, both on. There's obviously the regular blinking, and then there's a switch right behind it. Right there, that little red switch. If you flick it, it turns sequential. So, dude, these are so nice, dude. I'm in love with them. Oh my gosh. Okay. Time to throw on the other one. Throw on the fourth brake light. Let's go. Working on the left side now. Took all the bolts out, and now we're just gonna push on these right here. Slide the tail light out. Should come easily. Well, the right side did. So there you go. I know you guys can't really see it. It's just me out here. So brother's working. So the angles aren't gonna be too great, but there you go. Boom, out. Old taillight. See ya. No, I was just kidding. I need these just in case. This is the new taillight. Let's throw her on. So I definitely did want to point out for any Subi owners that when putting on a taillight, you do have to line it up to this little white grommet here. If not, there's gonna be a big gap, and you don't want that, because 1, fitment is key, and 2, you don't want water getting in there. That's a big no-no. All right, so we got both of the SubiSpeed taillights in. Dude, I'm gonna keep it sequential, man. It looks really nice. Dang. With the reverse light. Whew. Damn. It is nice as hell. Dang. Now, lastly, the fourth brake light. Let me show y'all the fourth brake light before I put it in. So, no, it is not blue. It's a black base with a white bar. And yep. Let's see how this goes. Once I throw this on, hopefully everything works. I just threw the stock connection on really quickly just to see if they work, and they do. I'm in love with them, man. It's really nice with the Tomei. Crazy, man, crazy. So we just took out the piece. This little, so basically it sits like this, or like that, and you got to push up on these two tabs and then just push it through, and yeah, it comes right out. So I'm gonna clean this up a little bit before I put the fourth brake light, because I don't want to put the fourth brake light and then dirt gets on it. So yep, let's put the fourth brake light. Let's go. So for the fourth brake light install, once you pop that little empty piece out, there's two holes here, kind of like a rubber grommet. I pushed one out, the one closest to the empty space. The other one I'm gonna leave. And basically you want to take this wiring and put it down the hole all the way till it reaches that empty space. So, and since these parts usually don't come with instructions, I found out the hard way that this side is obviously the one that's going to be on the inside, and this side, because it has like this electrical tape, which I'm pretty sure protects it from like all the weather and stuff like that. Sorry, brain fart. But so you just want to reroute it all the way down until you can grab it from underneath. So that should be good enough. Okay, we just got the tail lights in. Fourth brake light. Couldn't really record the fourth brake light because space is really tight, and you know, it's only me out here. So, but yeah, this is the finished look. So the fourth brake light does come with like a plug and play, where there's basically three connectors. The smaller one connects to the fourth brake light, which is routed down there, which is routed down here. And this one goes to the OEM power supply, and this one connects into the SubiSpeed connector. And yeah, I'm gonna hit the brakes and see if they all work. So this is the reverse with the hazards on. It is blinking, so that is a good sign. Yep, this is the finished look. Time to tuck in all these wires, put everything back, and yeah, that should be it. Last look at everything put together. Tail lights, fourth brake light, other tail light, and of course last video we threw on the Tomei. So it's coming together, fellas. It's coming together.